I spent 2 weeks using only Gemini AI. Then 2 weeks using only ChatGPT. To find out which one is actually better in 2026. The results surprised me. In the next 8 minutes you will see 5 direct head-to-head tests. Speed, accuracy, multimodal capabilities, coding, and real-world use cases. By the end, you will know exactly which AI to use for your specific needs. And the winner might not be what you expect. First, quick background. ChatGPT is made by OpenAI. It launched in November 2022 and changed everything. Most people know ChatGPT. It is the AI everyone talks about. Gemini is made by Google. It used to be called Bard but was rebranded to Gemini in early 2024. Most people think Gemini is just Google's copycat of ChatGPT. But that is not accurate anymore. The key difference: ChatGPT was trained to be conversational and helpful. Gemini was trained to be integrated with Google's entire ecosystem. Gmail, Google Docs, YouTube, Google Search. Everything connects. This makes them very different tools for very different purposes. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Test 1. Speed and response quality. I asked both the exact same question. Explain quantum computing like I'm a beginner. ChatGPT response time: 3 seconds. The answer was clear, well-structured, easy to understand. Good analogies. Solid explanation. Gemini response time: 2 seconds. Slightly faster. The answer was also clear, but it included links to Google search results, YouTube videos explaining quantum computing, and related topics I could explore next. Winner for speed: Gemini by 1 second. Winner for response quality: tie. Both were excellent. But Gemini gives you more context and resources automatically. If you want to go deeper, Gemini makes it easier. Key insight: ChatGPT gives you one great answer. Gemini gives you one great answer plus the entire internet of resources to explore further. Test 2. Multimodal capabilities. This means working with images, videos, and audio, not just text. I uploaded the same image to both. A photo of a complex flowchart. Then I asked, explain what this flowchart represents and identify any logical errors. ChatGPT free version. Cannot analyze images. You need ChatGPT Plus for image analysis. That is $20 per month. Gemini free version. Analyzed the image immediately. Explained the flowchart accurately. Identified 2 logical errors I had not even noticed. All for free. Then I tried voice input. I spoke a complex question out loud instead of typing. ChatGPT. Works, but you need the mobile app. Not available on desktop browser. Gemini. Works perfectly on desktop browser and mobile. Transcribes accurately. Responds naturally. Winner for multimodal: Gemini. And it is not even close. Image analysis, voice input, even video analysis. All free. ChatGPT makes you pay for most of this. Test 3. Coding. I asked both to write a Python script that scrapes website data and saves it to a spreadsheet. ChatGPT gave me clean working code. Good comments. Explained how to install required libraries. The code worked on first try. This is what ChatGPT is known for. Excellent at coding. Gemini also gave me working code. But here is the difference. Gemini automatically included error handling I did not ask for. It anticipated problems I might encounter and coded around them. The code was slightly more robust. Then I asked both to debug an existing piece of broken code. ChatGPT found the bug, explained what was wrong, fixed it. Clear and helpful. Gemini found the bug, explained what was wrong, fixed it. Then suggested 3 ways to optimize the code to make it run faster. I did not ask for optimization. Gemini just offered it. Winner for coding. Slight edge to ChatGPT for simplicity and clarity. But Gemini goes beyond what you ask for and gives you extra value. For beginners, ChatGPT. For people who want to learn more, Gemini. Test 4. Real-world integration. This is where Gemini truly shines. I asked both, summarize my emails from today and draft responses to anything urgent. ChatGPT cannot access your email. You would have to manually copy-paste each email into ChatGPT. Then copy-paste the responses back. Tedious and slow. Gemini connected directly to my Gmail. Summarized all my emails instantly. Identified 3 urgent ones. Drafted responses right there. I just had to click send. Saved me 30 minutes. Then I asked both, create a presentation about AI tools. ChatGPT wrote an outline. Good content. But you have to copy it into Google Slides or PowerPoint yourself. Manual work. Gemini not only wrote the outline but offered to create the actual Google Slides presentation automatically. One click and the presentation was done. Formatted. Ready to present. Winner for real-world integration. Gemini destroys ChatGPT. If you use Google Workspace, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Gemini is game-changing. So which one should you use? Here is my honest recommendation. Use ChatGPT if you want the most conversational AI. You need the absolute best coding assistance. You do not use Google products much. You prefer simplicity and do not need integrations. Use Gemini if you live in the Google ecosystem. Gmail, Docs, Drive, Calendar. You need multimodal features for free. Image analysis. Voice input. You want an AI that connects to your real workflow. You like getting more resources and context with every answer. My personal choice. I use both. ChatGPT for coding and creative writing. Gemini for research, email management, and anything involving Google Workspace. The truth is neither one is definitively better. They are tools with different strengths. The best AI is the one that fits your workflow. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button. Subscribe to AI Tools Hub for weekly honest AI tool reviews. Comment below. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team Gemini? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.